Wastes of the north, where the red menace rises, American sons march into hell's frozen embrace. Polar bears awaken. From Michigan shores to Archangel's Gate, 5,000 strong we sail to our fate. Wilson's calling the great war shadow to crush the Bolsheviks in the endless snow. Allied banners wave against the crimson's tide. White Russians keyed as the Germans hide, landing in blade ships under midnight sun. The symbolic jaw snap, the battle's begun. Polar bears roar in the blizzard's wrath. Blood on the ice carved the frozen path. Fight the red storm in the eternal night. Heroes of the north in the endless light. Blades clash with bayonets under aurora's gleam. For freedom's fire we shatter the dream. Polar bears charge through hell's icy gale. In Russia's frozen hell we prevail. Mermaids to isles in the Venus flow, ambushed in trenches buried in snow. Bolshevik hordes swallow like wolves in the dark. Machine guns shatter, leaving death's stark mark. Frostbite claws the flesh, hungering of the soul. Subzero torment as the casualties toll. 200 found in the white death script. Forgotten warriors on this cursed trip. Polar bears roll there in the blizzard's wrath. Blood on the ice carved the frozen path. Fight the red storm in the eternal night. Heroes of the north in the endless light. Blades clash with bayonets under aurora's gleam. For freedom's sire we shatter the dream. Polar bears charge through hell's icy gale. In Russia's frozen hell we prevail. Why this invasion in a war not our own? The seeds of the Cold War in the tundra zone. Des Moines sails in, supports from the fray. June 1919 we march away. Solar patch I gleam with the bear's fierce eye. Echoes of valor in the polar sky. But history buries our tale in the frost. The polar bear's fury fall the last. Back to the mainland, with scars unseen. A forgotten front where the brave convene. White waste whisper of the roots we lay. In a red menace's cradle, our stand was mine. No remain to wait, no glory's crown. Just a blizzard's howl, boiling us down. Yet in the annals of the bold and true, polar bears endure through the ice anew. Polar bears roar in the blizzard's wrath. Blood on the ice carved the frozen path. Fight the red storm in the eternal night. Heroes of the north we prevail.